Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Ajmera Group new launch project Ajmera Solace located in Kanamvar Nagar, Vikhroli East, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project, and this over here is the actual land parcel of the project where the construction has started. And also you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.2 acres that will have one premium tower with two wings of 2 basements, ground plus 5 level of podium, plus 27 residential floors having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located near Shushruta Hospital, Kanamvar Nagar, Vikhroli East, from where Eastern Express Highway is only at a distance of 1 minute, Vikhroli Railway Station is at a distance of 2 minutes, JVLR, which is Jogeshwari Vikhroli Link Road, is at a distance of 3 minutes. Upcoming metro station is at a distance of 4 minutes and RCT Mall is at a distance of 10 minutes from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, lush landscape garden, energetic outdoor arena, multi-purpose court, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and the carpet areas, as said, this project has 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences, with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 424 to 426 square feet, 2 BHK in the carpet area of 638 and 653 square feet, and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 848 and 862 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. And now let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a priority reservation request, that is PRR amount of 99,000 for 1 BHK, 1.49 lakhs for 2 BHK and 1.99 lakhs for 3 BHK. This PRR will come with multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts. PRR holders will be given preference over and above others. Second is preference in inventory selection, which means the PRR holders will be called first on the day of the launch to select their preferable inventory. And 100% refundable, which means this PRR will be 100% refundable in case the client doesn't want to proceed for any reason, and the PRR amount will be 100% refundable without any deduction. So everyone, this was the teaser of Ajmera Group new launch project named as Ajmera Solace, located in Kanamvar Nagar, Vikhroli East, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.